I mean, life is a win in a four-person murder case.
The way that murder was,
Right.
if ever there was a death penalty that's warranted, right?
Correct.
What is the standard for the death penalty again? Egregious and heinous and what is it?
There's several different standards, but it has to be heinous, atrocious, cruel, lying in wait for pecuniary gain, multiple victims. I think
Every single one of theirs is checked.
check, right?
I mean, he was driving down the road. He came back. He came around. I mean, it's a very bad case. So for the defense team, I mean, that's a win, and I think that's why the family is so upset. But there must be something that they have not told the public that, and I have a feeling that it comes from the witnesses of that last hearing. Because why did that last hearing have so much? All of a sudden, out of nowhere, a plea deal is made.
Well, and
That's true.
on that point, it was right after the judge ruled that they couldn't bring the names of the four suspects or the four potential suspects in. It was right after the judge shot down that ruling that the plea came to pass, or the plea offer came to pass.
I think some people from his hometown were in on it.
No, no, not those. Remember, he wanted to name four potential suspects
Right.
that the police didn't investigate. And after the judge shut that down, then that's when they entered into the plea. So I think there might be something there that tends to show, at a minimum, somebody else was involved.
Yeah, I mean, just the logistics of this, like we talked about that.
Because
Johnny
everybody,
talked about that, specifically with the blood in the car. Like
There's no way that you could leave a scene like that, not have any blood in your car, not have any blood on your clothes, not have a drop of blood anywhere, for how graphic a four knife murders occur.
right, there was blood
It's just
coming,
not even
coming out of the
feasibly possible.
doors and windows,
yeah, it was
right?
leaking out of the foundation, between the walls and the foundation.
Yeah. So I mean, so the pushback now, the families they get to appear at the plea, and they can,
They could yell at them, but that's about all that's
That's
going to
about it,
happen.
right?
It's
It's
not
not
like
gonna
the
affect
judge
it.
can. Well, that particular judge, some judges reject pleas.
Right. I was just saying, can this judge reject the plea? I was just thinking, we talked about that. There's some judges that reject the plea, and this judge is got all the cameras on him.
I don't think you can reject 4 life
I
sentences.
agree. That's a tough one. That's a tough
Yeah.
one. What's your thought?
I mean, I think he could do it. I don't think he will do it.
Right.
Because again, he's thinking, like with what Johnny said, there's a reason the state is wanting to give this offer. And there's a reason that the state insists that he waives all his right to appeal.